If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel.
Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Buzz, and today in this video I will give my opinions on Nokia 6.1 Plus, which has been launched recently. So finally Nokia has launched its Nokia X6 in India as Nokia 6.1 Plus. Over the years Nokia has improved a lot regarding its hardware, regarding its device and all the other softwares. So this Nokia 6.1 has come with Notch, the trendy feature which is like hitting everywhere now. So also if you go to their website, all other devices tagline, you will find that it is written a phone that you can rely on before before this device that was released before all other phones. But in this device the tagline is stand out and tell your story. So you can guess somewhat you can tell your stories, you can express your stories, thoughts with this phone. So now let's talk about the price. Price kept is 16,000 and it's a good pricing according to all the features. So it comes with 4GB and 64GB in storage and 4GB RAM. Almost everything that are important you can store within this limit. So talking about the processor, it comes with Snapdragon 636. Within this price segment, I think the processor that is given is okay kind. All the general works are done within this price range. So and within this the processor, the battery is also not so impressive. It comes with 3000 mAh battery, but at this price you will get this much only. So but you can expect 2 days backup and you can do your work nicely. But one good thing about this device is that you get to see fast charging, which is good with quick charge 3.0, and that's a great initiative by Nokia in this device. And you might get to see a better battery optimization as it will be running on stock Android and pure Android experience. You can get a smooth running experience with with no bloatwares, I guess, almost negligible, and it will work flawlessly. So one concerning thing I found in this device is that it has Cat 4. If you're not getting this, what this Cat 4 and all these stuffs are. So it's basically the network's hardware. All the other device around this price range has a Cat above 10. Like MI2 has a Cat 12 and Honor Play has Cat 18 network hardware. You might find some minor issues regarding the network and some minor call drops maybe, but not to worry, this will work fine with the coming updates maybe. So now let's talk about camera. One concerning thing is that the sensor size is 1 by 3.1 inches, basically less than the normal sensor size that we are getting nowadays in other devices. You might get to see a good image and good picture quality in good lighting condition, but you cannot expect very high quality images in low lighting as the sensor size is low. As you know, more the size of the sensor, the better is the quality of the image and better will be the image. So now let's talk about the connectivity, that is the USB. So it comes with USB Type C, but wait, USB Type C doesn't mean that you get the hardware. Yes, USB Type C other devices are using that hardware. In this device the hardware is USB 2.0 only. Yes, USB 2.0. So you cannot connect don't think of connecting or using the USB Type C headphone jacks that are nowadays available. This might not work, and only the Type C charging you can reverse and use the jack. So but talking is almost mid-range phones you get the USB 2.0 hardware only, so it will be almost good. So at the end guys, this device is well balanced according to my opinion, and all the features in this device is kind of good only at this price range, and it's also not an extraordinary phone. You can get it, and Nokia has done a great step in bringing the price to this device in a medium range segment. So I hope I provided you the necessary details that are required on these devices, with all pros and cons that are required, and also some factors with the phone experience. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.